Hi everyone, this is Anshu Goel, lead analyst for digital consumer at GSMA Intelligence. This week I have the pleasure of presenting GSMA's data point of the week. This is from our latest devices report, which looks at the evolving consumer behavior around consumer devices such as smartphones, the attitudes towards smartphone circularity, and looks at the rise of AI in devices. So without further ado, this week's data point is 77%. According to our latest GSMA Intelligence Consumer Survey conducted in August 2024 across 12 of the world's key markets, this is the proportion of smartphone users who are looking to replace their handsets, with around 68% of them looking to do so in the 2 years following the survey date. Around 78% of this cohort is going to stay with the same smartphone brand when replacing the handset. Operator sales channels are the most popular when replacing the handset, with around 34% of consumers using them, followed by OEMs and then third-party retailers. In-store sales channel remains the most popular for both operators and OEMs. In an encouraging sign for the circularity of consumer devices, around 40% of consumers who are looking to replace their smartphone are willing to look or are willing to purchase a pre-owned, refurbished smartphone. For this cohort, saving money is the main reason for doing so. Moving beyond smartphones, there's growing consumer interest in wearables and smart home devices. Smartwatches lead the consumer interest in wearables, with around 30% of consumers owning one, but there's also growing interest in new wearable form factors such as smart glasses and smart rings. Extended reality devices are an exception here, with ownership still languishing at around 5% on average. Looking at the smart home segment, global smart home connections are expected to grow by 9% both this year and next, i.e. 2026, exceeding 4 billion connections by the end of 2025. So in a devices report, we cover all the above topics in a lot of detail and also present related operator case studies from around the globe. Please feel free to reach out to us for a further discussion on devices. Thank you for your time.